Okay, so I'm live now. Hello, everyone. Who is here? Okay, so still waiting for everyone. There's a delay because of internet problem. And yeah, hi, Ajinkya. Yep. Hi, hello, everyone. So there's a delay because of internet problem. Internet is not working properly. Yep. Hello, everyone. So I thought Sunday Live is a good chance to meet you all here. Okay, so let's start. Any question if you have, then you can ask me. And currently, what I am working again on Flutter, other videos. Then I'm updating the real-time forum course which I have, and that course is going to have a, I think 7 or 10 videos just for deploying that course on Ubuntu server with supervisor. That means the Laravel WebSocket on Ubuntu server, the live server. So next, Hassan, hi sir, hello everyone. Okay, so this is these two things I'm working on, and next will be test driven package. So this will be cool. So we are going to create a namaste. Okay, Rakesh, namaste. So that's again very good. So I was talking about the test driven package. So test driven package will have some creating an API for a package and everything with the test. So Hamza, hi, I'm your student, and you are the one of the teacher who helped me in development. That's cool, and I think you are having a good experience in development. So, oh, bhai, Dheeraj, hello, Dheeraj. Learning Angular and React both are good, or any one of them? I suggest any one of them because if you are going to learn both of them, then it will be a good chance that you are not going to master anything. So try to master at least one, either Angular or React. Both are awesome. Both have good libraries. Both has great community, and obviously lots and lots of tutorials out there. So you need to pick one, either React or Angular. I'm a React fan, so that's why you need to take one and master it till the core. So you need to grab everything related to that library. um, thank you to you. Thank you, sir. Laravel Passport, GWT, is it same? No, Laravel Passport is a full OAuth implementation, and it also has the token system for login. And JWT is just simple for login system. If you are creating an API and if you want authentication system, because in API there is no session, so how you maintain logged in person's information? So then for every request you are going to send a token, so that will be generally a JWT token, JSON web token. And Laravel Passport is a full OAuth implementation. So if you just want to have authentication, try JWT. But if you want to create an OAuth system for your website, then use Laravel Passport. Okay, I want to switch from PHP to Python. Yeah, sure, Ayush, you can do that. That's a good thing. I have 2 year experience in Laravel and issue switching to Django. Okay, so what's the issue you are facing, Ayush? Django is also good. Laravel with Vue, Laravel with Angular. Which one is better in your view? Okay, Laravel with Vue, obviously. Vue is the best friend of Laravel from the inception of Vue. So Vue actually gained popularity because of Laravel. So there's a great combination of Laravel and Vue. Laravel and Angular is difficult to manage, and again, compared to Vue, Angular is very difficult learning curve. So I suggest to have a Angular, no, Angular, Laravel with Vue. Okay. So next, Ayush again. So I also have experience. Should I learn React also? Yeah, React is very good. So Rakesh, what happened to this? फ्रंट एंड और बैक एंड के रोड कैसे मैनेज करेंगे Okay, so this is Rakesh. This is a different topic. You need to have a long discussion on this. How you manage the routes. In a simple word, you are creating API at backend, and from the front end, you are hitting that API. So this is the way you just create the backend and front end separate, and you manage the route. Okay, so Dheeraj, I'm learning React. I find it difficult curve than Angular as of now. Seems JS evolved a lot. Dheeraj, use React hooks. Your life will become very easy. Angular is tough. Okay, yeah, but I know you are an Angular person, so I'm not saying anything else. Next, Hamza, I'm Laravel developer and I want to learn payment gateway and pusher. Payment gateway and pusher, I think these two are different things. But I have payment gateway like PayPal course. I also have, and there are lots of pusher related course like chat system is there. There is a full real time forum course that I was talking about initially. Okay, have you ever forgotten the syntax while coding? Obviously, all time. I always forgot the syntax, so I just go Google search that thing. I generally forgot the helper functions which PHP have or any other language have. So I generally forward. But the point is, I know these things can be done with the help of PHP, JavaScript, or any kind of language. So if I know I can do this, if I have no knowledge that there is a function that can do some task, so I just find that function or syntax. So in that way, yeah, I always forgot. I should learn Node or other front end React or other. Okay, so Hamza, if you are trying to become a full JavaScript developer, you need to know React as well as Node, because if you're going for any job, if you have a knowledge of Node, that will be very beneficial for you. So I hope you learn both Node and React. So there's not so much difference between them. Okay. Okay, so idea मिल गया राकेश तुम्हें. Okay, yeah, got it. Ayush, please share some tips how to learn Django systematically. Okay, for learning Django systematically. Okay, so do one thing. Start with the basics. Obviously, you have started, and try to create simple project. Simple as in just like a CRUD part, then move with some other things like implementing payment gateways, and slowly move to difficult tasks. And don't forget to properly read the documentation. Django documentation you need to master, because no tutorial, no course is good or is better than the documentation of any language or any library. So go with the documentation and see how they have implemented. If you learn, if you got how you can extract information from the documentation, then the life will become very easy for you. So just try to be familiar with the documentation of Django. That's the most important thing. Do Laravel View affect SEO performance? Laravel with View. Okay, so here is two thing, Ashar. Here's two thing. The point is, if you want to, there are two things. One is if you want to use Laravel with View as in like jQuery. So if you are using Blade, then there will be no issue of SEO. But if you are creating a API on Laravel and front end on Vue.js, then yes, you need to do lots and lots of things for the SEO, because the meta tags you need to add, then and descriptions and other things you need to manage on the front end. So it will be good if you are creating a front end from Vue, try to use Next.js. That will make your life again easy because it has implementation of SEO kind of things and very, very useful. So try to use Laravel with Vue, but as an API on Laravel and front end with Next.js. How to manage server side session for front end framework. Like, okay, so again, as I told you, server side session is not available when you are working on the front end, like using Vue, React, or Angular. So what you need to do, you need to use JWT, JSON Web Token. So there is a great library by Tymon JWT. If you search for TYMON/JWT, this package create JWT for every login. So once the user has logged in, you will get a token. You will save that token on the cache of the front end or local storage somewhere. Then with every request, whenever you are hitting the API with Axios or Ajax, whatever you call, then you need to send that token, that JWT token, inside header or inside query parameter as you want. And in that way you will not you don't need to manage the session on the back end because session is not available obviously. So use JWT. Okay, yeah, thank you Ayush. Hamza again, sir, please can you suggest me Node then, because I'm interested in backend programming. I didn't get you. Suggest me Node. Suggest you Node. What is that? You're talking about the course or what else? Okay. So Durga Pratap. Okay. So I have 4 year experience in Laravel and a core PHP, but I want to switch to PHP. Is it good or wrong? Absolutely good. But the point is, if you have a 4 year experience in Laravel or PHP, that will be very easy for you to switch to Python because you know lots and lots of things. And if you're switching to Python, don't leave this Laravel and PHP. Slowly migrate to Python. Start learning it while working with the PHP and Python, PHP and Laravel. And when you become good in Python, just like you are in Laravel or PHP, then you can leave Laravel or PHP. But Laravel and PHP is not going to die. Again, I'm saying it is going to become huge in the future. So if you don't need actually to move to Python, don't switch your language. Okay, so Anish. Okay, sorry, Anish. Yeah. Oh, bhai, Anish. That's good, yeah, Anish. Thank you. So, how's physics going on? So, okay, my fresher FP asked me for Flutter or Laravel. Ajink, Flutter or Laravel, these are two different things. So, fresher friend asked me for Flutter or Laravel. So these are two different things, but they can be used together when you're creating an application with Flutter and using the Laravel API. So yes, you can do that, and this combination is good. Again, React Native is not behind Flutter, or Flutter is not behind React Native. Both are equal, so you can learn anyone if whatever you feels good. So later I will create the React Native course also after this Flutter. Can you tell me if JWT or passport token can get revoked if we logged out? Yeah, you need to revoke this token. You can simply remove these JWT token while the user logged out, or you can revoke it also. It's not a point because while you delete the token, the user cannot log in with any other token. So revoking is a good idea actually. You need to be make sure that token is never going to be used. Good idea. But it didn't delete token from database. Token, okay, so JWT token doesn't store in the database if you are using the time on JWT. Yes, if you are using Laravel Passport, it will store token from your on your database. So if the database, if you have a token on database, remove it. Simple answer. Ayush, async function for sending request in Next is very confusing. Is there no proper Next tutorial for confined? Ayush, I have a full Next course on here on YouTube, also on my website. So there's 60, 70 videos on the Next also only for the Next. And async function is very easy actually. It's like a function which is going to run from the server side. So while before loading the page, that async function runs, and it will grab whatever you are asking on that function, and then it will load the page. So it's very easy async function. So I don't think there's a complication in that function. Can you please highlight some open source premium Laravel project which are advanced quality, something like a classified forum other than Laracast, etc.? Are you talking about packages or project or a course? Because Laracast provide, obviously everyone know about courses. So if you are saying classified or forum course, yeah, these courses are available on my website also, or also on Laracast. So these are two platforms. Yeah, two platforms only. Why database will have many junk? I didn't get you what you're talking about, the junk in the database. How do you learn programming language quickly? Okay, so this is an interesting question. How do I learn programming quickly? So to learn things quickly, you just need to grab the basics. So after having the basics, you need to go into advanced. The point is, think about what you want to do in a normal life. What you want to do when you click a button, what's going to happen? Then you just need to get the information from any language, that what how things are going to happen. Let's take an example. If I'm trying to learn a Flutter, I want to hit a button on an application, on a mobile application, and then send a request to backend, let's say Laravel. So I just need to learn how I can send information from Flutter to Laravel. I just Google these things, and it's like Googling how to send information or how to send data from Flutter to Laravel. So I get some result, and I just study one or two. I get the information that, hey, these are the packages, or there are something which can be used to send the information. So just by thinking what you want to do, you can search, and when you get the result, try to implement it. I'm not going to learn things by tutorials, by courses, because in my opinion, I can learn things by doing rather than by watching video. You have to watch my videos also. Thank you so much for you and Bitfilms. Due to Bitfilms, I got a job in Laravel technology. Almost I've seen all videos on Bitfilms. You are my hero. So Ajith Tiwari is a person who got job in Laravel because of videos we have on Bitfilms channel, and I need to congratulate you, Ajit, for your job and for your commitment towards learning. So I'm sure you are going to reach height in your career. So yeah, keep learning. Okay, so rock full project, rock. Okay, so you asked about premium Laravel project. Okay, full projects. Yeah. Okay, so one Laracast has a full project, one or two full project they have, and on my website I also have two big projects. One is real-time forum, other is one-to-one chat application, and as I told you, I'm coming with another uh, big tutorial or big course actually, which will have a lots and lots of videos, which is test driven package. So you will learn how to create a package, full and final package, from starting to ready to use from Composer. So that package will be created with the test driven development technique, and we will use my packer library to create these packages, and this will be a complete course. I'm not revealing the title, but it will be a good course, and we will create the API on that. So I'm sure you will get that. And if you have any problem on these things, then just message me. Okay, I think this is time to go, and thanks all for your questions and suggestions. And if you have any doubt, or if you want to ask anything apart from this live session, you can just email me, message me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, also on LinkedIn. And just like this, maybe on the next Sunday or next to next Sunday, we will meet again on YouTube live. So till then, just keep learning and keep watching. Bye bye.